So, ano ba yung inspiration mo dito sa Umami Lechon na to?
So, pag magkukumpit ako, I always make sure to highlight Filipino taste kasi we are Filipino and iba talaga yung dating ng ng Filipino. Yeah. So, sa lahat ng competition namin, we make sure that there's a touch of Filipino taste. So, one of my winning taste is the lechon. Actually, I presented it like a cuchinillo. Yeah. And then, we cook it in the charcoal. Kaya later, magkakaroon tayo ng charcoal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Iba talaga lasa ng uling, di ba?
Yes. And then, now it's a representation kasi we cannot make it like a cuchinillo. We will make it like a pork belly roll. And then, why naging umami? Kasi specialty is more on Japanese and Filipino cuisine.
I like it.
Yeah, so umami means savory. It's another taste natin. So from sweet, bitter, salty,
Guys,
we have umami.
umami, hindi dahil nilagyan ng
MSG.
MSG din. Actually, umami is a natural ingredient that is present in many ingredients actually. So, kami, yung advocacy namin is we only use fresh ingredients.